Welcome back to Lola's Playful Puppies and Toys. Today we will be opening the FurReal Friends Koala. I just came back from the pool, so my hair's wet. And yesterday we opened Sunshine Girl. So yesterday we opened her, and I think that she's really, really cute. And I did make her a room, which I'll probably be showing on another video. And yeah. So let's start opening the FurReal Friends Koala. Okay. I think I'm just gonna rip apart the box. Okay. Let's try this. We're going to. Open. He was on clearance for I think around $11 at Target when I went to go get Sunshine, so we got him. One of my favorite animals is actually koalas. I have Kira, the American Girl doll, the American Girl doll of 2021, and I think she's really, really cute. And I've got another koala, and I just love koalas. I've got a lot of them. There we go. Okay, now I don't know what else he's stuck on. Cardboard can be really strong. I can't get him out. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the FurReal Friends Koala is out, and I will be showing you what she does in a minute. Just let's get the rest of her accessories out. She's got 2 accessories, a little rattle, it looks like. It's a rattle, cute little koala rattle. And cut right there and cut those 2 and then pull them out. And a little bottle. So we're done with the packaging. So let's see what he does. So you can stick the bottle in his mouth. Do I have to turn him on or something? Oh. So when you press the back of him, he can walk on his own. I'm not even doing anything. And when you put the bottle in his mouth, or pull down his mouth, he'll say something. Or okay. Yeah, he'll do that. And let's see what else he does on. So the movement that he has is he can move his legs, his arms, and his head. His name is Christy, and he says mama. It's adorable. He likes the camera. Let's see what else does he do. He does that. He just walked right into the camera. Kind of sniffs. And he walks. I'm keeping him from walking. He's really cute. He's got a purple tag that says FurReal Friends. He's got little leaves in his hair. And let's see what we come to the rattle. He's not that heavy. And I'm gonna cut off this tag because the tags annoy me a lot. There. Throw away the tag. And if you want, you could like save like the background of this. It would be a little hard, it looks like, but yeah, you could save it. I actually might try to save it, yeah. I'm gonna try. Let's put Christy away. I think that she is adorable. And let's cut this and this out. Let's see, come on, just like pull it out. I really just want to pull it straight out. Okay. There we go. Here's like the instructions. Very important, I guess. Not really important. I'm not going to use the instructions because I don't like to read instructions. Thank you for watching Lolo's Playful Puppies and Toys. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.